Palo Alto Networks App ID uses 4 major technologies to help identify applications. Application signatures. A database of application signatures updated as part of the firewall content updates. Unknown protocol decoder. An App ID heuristics engine used to look at patterns of communication. It attempts to identify the application based on its network behavior. For example, this type of detection is required for applications that use proprietary end-to-end encryption, such as Skype and encrypted BitTorrent. Known protocol decoders. A set of application decoders that understand the syntax and commands of common applications. Protocol decryption. SSL and SSH decryption capabilities.